Hello everybody, Sabaidi. Today I'm going to be changing the sprinkler diaphragm. And here are the 5 steps in order to replace the diaphragm. And this is the problem. It's been leaking for about a week now. I better get on it before it gets worse. First thing first is to shut off water. There is no need to remove solenoid or any other parts on this project, but I want to check the seals on the parts to make sure that they're still good. Just unscrew nut, ring, and remove valve unit or assembly. This is the replacement that I bought at a local store, and I want to compare before I put it in. It's a little bit different from the original part, but it still works. Don't forget to check out the description section for the cost. I bought extra diaphragm, so I'm going to use on the second one. The electrical wires on these sprinklers are falling apart, and I'm going to try to see if I can recover it. For the electrical repair, I have heat shrink tubing to take care of that. Put the diaphragm into its place correctly to prevent future leak. For installation, just reverse of removal. It is much easier to install solenoid onto the cover before install the cover to the body of sprinkler. that is the end of the project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and good luck on your project.